Rather get a lap dance from her, Tony. And say yes. Palmer's not grilling you. Trust me, take my advice. I think you should give the girl a chance. They never have been. You